Hello? You would like to improve your pain, inflammation, wound healing, energy and vitality, mental clarity, sports performance and recovery, sleep, skin texture and qualities, and so much more. Who really wants to repair their body? The time is now. Repairing the body, the brain, emotional status, the whole being, giving you better abilities to align with the spiritual, energetic aspects of you. This technology is available. Technology? Yep, a light technology product that is being used to activate certain pathways in our body, such as reawakening your master, stem cells, so they are active once again within our body. Stem cells are the way in which the body is designed to repair itself by repairing the actual cells or replacing them with brand new cells. You can now activate your own body to make new stem cells once again, so that we can repair, regenerate, literally reverse aging, and give our body and our life a new lease on life. We can now do this at the cost of a cup of coffee per day. A healthy choice is literally available. A product that supports the body, works with the body, no side effects, no contraindications. Nothing actually is going into the body. It's literally working with your own light. Yes, you heard me right. No longer do you need to acquire stem cells from somewhere else. That involves a needle, a cream, a drink, or a pill. It is a product that you simply stick to your skin. It is a patented product, so therefore we do know that it works. Comment below or connect with me, and I'll be happy to share information with you. David W. K. Lee, all natural health and wellness enthusiast.